Given, find the perimeter. Number 2A, put today's date first. Put today's date. अच्छा, exercise A. What is given? Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are, you have the book, whose sides are given. I am writing here 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. These three sides are given. Now say, Anjum, what will be its perimeter? Just we have to add all the three sides. Yes, good. So write. That means if the triangle is in this way, look, suppose one side is 7 centimeter, another is 8 centimeter, and then third one is 9 centimeter. So what will be its perimeter? For the first answer, only draw the figure. Draw the figure for the first question, okay? Now from the next one, no need to draw it. So perimeter is equal to 7. Achha, directly write this 7 plus 8 plus 9. Keep it in bracket, then centimeter. Add them. What will be the answer, Mausha? Say, I can read the leap. Say. Same, Sushnata, say. You cannot add them. Sushnata, say. 24, good. Yes. Anuvam, are you doing? The answer will be 24 centimeter. Don't worry, I am taking the screenshot. I'll share it. All of you completed this one. Now, number 2B. So 2B and C will be. No, I am getting disconnected. Again, automatically it has been connected. Exactly. I don't know what is going on. Hello. Everybody can hear me? Ankita, you have done. Shubhangi, Nusaiba, Maushim. Okay, good. I am clearing. Noraz, Oishani, Obipsha, Ashia, Debosmita. Completed better? Okay, partially I am doing the next one. I am clearing it. Sulagna, sit properly better. Now to B. Look at this. To B, it is given 12 point. Just write the three sides are. Three sides are. Look, the sides are given 12.5 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and 17 centimeter. So directly you can write, hence perimeter is equal to, partially what will be, just we will have to add them or subtract. What? Add, good. So 12.5 plus 13 plus 17 centimeter. Now Who will say the answer? Wait. Shaud? Shaud Laskor, are you able to add them? Yeah, can you say the answer? Meheria, Trisha, Shifat, Bonusri, any student, anyone? Ha, Shifat said. What, 42.5? Shifat, whether it will be correct or not, 42.5. Check, yes or no? Shirin, good. Yes, Shifat, good. Acha, Ashmit, done. Ha, good. Okay. Not done, then do it. Acha, number C will be your homework. Huh? Now I am doing number D. Basically, in number B, the triangle will be in this way, na? One will be 12.5, another 13, another 17, okay? Acha, now look at this. Number D. Pratibha, understood? Swarnakshi? Okay, good. Acha, number D, 3 sides are 23.5 centimeter. Then 14.2 centimeter and 31 centimeter. So find perimeter. Do it yourself. Do this one. This much centimeter, okay? Is equal to tell me the answer. Do it yourself. Fourteen plus 31 plus 23.5. Ishika, Pratibha, sit properly. Any drawing you can do and then whatever drawing you like. Ah, yes. Swarnakshi, you will say the answer. Addition. Say. Ah, Bonusri, show it properly. Good. Good. Ha, yes, Shaud, good. Acha, Shaud, that one, 0.7, why? Acha, it is given 14.2 centimeter. Oh, acha, acha, yes. But I have written here 14 centimeter. Na, ha, yes, yes, yes. Good. So it will be, just wait for a minute. Ah, very good. That one is 14.2. I forgot to write this 0.2, na? Then 31 centimeter. Is equal to what will be the answer? Write it. Achha, basically, if we draw the triangle, it will be in this way, right? Three sides. This one is 23.5. Yes, so this one 14.2. And this one 31. Yes? now write the answer. Acha, I am telling you will be said whether it will be correct or not. Shout good. Trisha, is the answer correct? Good. Do it first. Okay. Now, Paushali, Mehriya, Murshid completed. Somdatta, Farhan Malik, Inakshi, Pratibha, Wajid, Soumodip, Sharanya, Sheikh Arhan, Sulagna, Shayon, Sheikh Irfan and Bahia, Sheikh Azzadur, Sheikh Arhan, understood beta? Sulagna, Oishani, Obipsha, Ishika, good. Ashmit, Shifat, Shirin and Mosha. Shirin, sit properly. Shirin, sit properly. I can see only your fan wall. Okay. Okay, now the next one, third one. Find the perimeter of the square whose side is given. Achha, square means is side is equal, yes? Shifa, square means what? Each of the side is equal, okay? Now, I am doing C, D, E, F. A, B will be your homework, huh? A and B is your homework. Now, let me do C. Find the perimeter of the square whose side is given. The square whose side is given 12.7 centimeter. All of you draw the square. It is 12.7 centimeter. This one 12.7 centimeter. Do it first. This square is given. Oishani, Obipsha, understood? Acha, Deboshmita, Trisha, understood? Paushali, Maushi, okay. Shubhangi, sit properly. Right, each side is equal to okay. So perimeter is equal to Achha, 4 into length of each side. You can directly put in the formula or you can just add them. No issue, huh? As you know, you can put directly the formula 4 into just directly I am writing length of each side. Put the unit also, huh? Here you will put unit. Here you should write unit. In the next line you will put the unit, that is centimeter. Now write 4 into 12.7. Acha, apart from this process, instead of this process, you can just add this 4. That one will also be done, huh? Got it? Find this one. Acha, Mousim, I am writing the answer. You will say whether this one will be correct or not. Mousim, this one is correct. Ankita, Nusaiba. Okay, I'm waiting. Good. Ankita, good. Shubhangi, is the answer correct? Chin, Noras. Okay. Nakshi, Bonusri. Okay. Rise and Farhan Malik. Say whether the answer is correct or not. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. No, Riza, it is correct, huh? Okay. Acha, Inakshi, keep your camera on. Now let me say that next one, number D, Anjum, you will be said. Anjum, you will have to say the answer of D. I am clearing the screen. All the students come. Anushka, keep your camera on. Anushka, beta, keep your camera on. Otherwise, I will remove you. Huh? Understood? Where is your copy? Show me. Show it. Acha, Swarnakshi, Somdatta, Sheikh Irfan, keep your camera on. Okay, Shomodeep. Now I am doing the next one, number D. What is in number D? Anushka, what are you doing? I'll remove you from my class. I told that you can't talk to your family member or any other person while my class is going on. Shekaran, keep your camera on. Achha, the D, number 4th one. Each side is given 48.4 centimeter. This one is the square. Achha, so write perimeter. You can add this one 4 times, huh? Or you can multiply it by 4. 4 into length of each side. Find this one. Find this one. Shaud, have you done? Show it properly. Yes, good. Maushim, Anjum, Ankita, Shubhangi, Noraz, Sushnata. Done. Afrina, Paushali, Anubhav. Understood? Okay, beta. Good. Exactly. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 8s are 32 plus that 1. 33. Carry 3. 4 4 are 16 plus 3, 19. This one will be the answer. Now number E. Paushali, understood though? Anjum, keep your camera on. Anjum, keep your camera. Now it is okay. Now number E. 175 centimeter. 175 centimeter. Look, I am doing number E, huh? All of you completed up to this too? Right, each side is this much. Okay, 175 centimeter each side. So directly write perimeter. That means look at this. If we draw the figure, this one 175. Okay, so directly write perimeter. Acha, one question I am doing in that process, adding 4 times. So it will be 175 plus 175 plus 175 plus 175 centimeter. Find out this one. Mehriya, Nusaiba, Shifat, Shayon. Shayon, say the answer. Shifat, sit properly. No, Shayon, don't try to be over smart. Say the answer, beta. Yes. Tell me the answer. Show me your copy. Very good. Or you can do 4 into 175. Yes. 700 centimeter. Okay, have you completed? Anushka? Nusaiba? Shoikot? Okay. Shoikot? Good. Acha, now the next one. F, 15 centimeter. It is very much easy. Do it yourself. Number F, each side is so perimeter will be 4 into 15. I am following that rule. Only one question I have done by adding, but try to do it by the rule, by the formula, because it will take less time. Yes, 60. Good, Shayon. Shayon, I have seen. Acha, okay, now Acha, the homework I am giving, that homework you will have to submit in the assignment section. I will create a blank assignment there. You will have to submit that. Okay. Now the next one. Look at this. The fourth one. Question number 4. Here it is given. Look at this. Everybody look. 4A. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length and breadth are given. Length 28, breadth 12. Acha, basically look at this. If we draw the rectangle in this way, that means length 28, here also 28, yes, so breadth 12, this one 12. I am not putting the unit, just I am making you understand. Look, Ashmit, sit properly. So Moushim, Shubhangi, what will be? Perimeter means we have to add 28, plus this 28, plus this 12, plus this 28, plus 12. Yes, so 28 plus 12, plus again 28, plus again 12. Yes or no? Saud, Shifat, Noraz, okay. So the thing is, instead of adding them, as we have learned about the formula, so we can use the formula, yes or no? Yes or no? That formula I explained yesterday that 2 into length plus breadth, yes or no? So we can use this formula. Shifat, Shahud, Paushali, Shahud not understood, na? Shahud? Look at this. Ha, Shifat, don't shake your head too much, ha? Beta, I have seen. Acha, okay. Now Mehriya, Mousha understood. Nusaiba, Anushka, look. That is the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Can you remember that formula? Yesterday I explained. That means what will be for the first one? A. Length is given 28. 2 into 28. You have to put the unit. I am just, there is no space. I am explaining just. 28 plus breadth. Breadth is what? 12. Yes, to Nusaiba. Shayan, I'll see. Wait. Paushali, Shulagna. So 28 into 12. By the formula, have you understood? Paushali, Trisha. Okay. So just 2 into 28 plus 12 means add them 40 centimeter. Now 2 into 40 means 80 centimeter. Got it? Ishika, Shomodeep, Shayon, yes, I have seen. Shayon, show me the answer. Farhan Malik. Devashmita, Wajid Rahman, Pratibha, understood? Wajid and Pratibha, Shirin, Sushnata, Swarnakshi, Vaishani, Obhipsha, Shaud. Okay, good. Acha, Bonusri, show me your copy again. Acha, you have done B also. Okay, good. But B will be your homework. Okay, acha, okay, no issue. You have done. That is very good. Enakshi, Somdatta, Sharanya. Okay. Now the next one. Acha, B and C will be your homework. I am doing number D. Directly I am writing perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Keep your camera on. So 13.4 plus breadth means 13.7. Now add them. Acha, who will say the answer? Oishani? Swarnakshi? Yes. Shayan, I have seen. Acha, you are writing L plus B to. Then you have to mention length. You are denoting L is length is denoting by L and breadth is denoting by B. You have to mention. Otherwise, don't write L plus B. Write full word. Length plus breadth. Okay. Ishika, add them and say what will be the addition. 32.1, yes or no? Yes, Bonusri, now tell me what will be the actual answer. 2 1 is 2 point, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Yes or no? Good, very good. Now do it first. Acha, listen. Only few sums are left to complete the syllabus. Okay, so maybe from the next week, next slot will be started. Maybe, okay. Probably GK, I will have to take GK. But as GK will not take a long time, okay, to complete the GK, it will take very less time. So I will complete maths also in alternative day. Yes, Shayan, I have seen. Good.